Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a TypeScript-based React web application. TypeScript is a powerful programming language that adds static type checking to your code, making it easier to catch bugs and improve the code quality. And with Create React app, you can easily set up a new React project with necessary configuration. So let's start. And Create React app. With React app, I want to use TypeScript. Furthermore, I will show you what sort of additional configurations are implemented or extended in real world applications to make collaborations easier between different developers in one team, as well as different teams which can be geographically distributed across the globe. So these configurations act as sort of an umbrella, as well as trying to define a united front-page standards to be followed by all to reduce the frictions of working together. It helps in resolving conflicts over the time. It also makes life easier for others who needs to review your code, like senior developers or QA team which validates your functionality, and your manager or lead who need to create and submit reports. So if you follow a standard, few of these tasks can be automated quickly and easily. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to create your own TypeScript-based React application from scratch. We use create React app command to create our project. Now we move to the our project directory, and I will explain you the basic configurations which comes by default and what are those options or configurations here. So target TS5 compiler options is for giving options for TSC compiler. The target specifies that the generated JavaScript code should be compatible with ES5 here or ECMAScript 5. The library or the lib defines the JavaScript library files to be included for type checking. In this case, it includes the DOM and DOM executable libraries, along with ESNext library for modern JavaScript features. Allow.js by default it's true. We want it to be false. What it means is that it only the TypeScript files will be processed, not the JavaScript file. We don't want TSC to process our JavaScript code. Skip libcheck. It helps to improve build performance. You don't want TSC to check declaration files that come with external libraries. ES module it is up. So it enables the interoperability between CommonJS and ES modules, allowing the use of default imports and named imports interchangeably. Synthetic default imports allows importing modules that don't have default import as if they had one. This simplifies the import syntax for certain scenarios. I will show you later. Strict had some specific rules to it. So setting this flag strict as true, it enables a strict type checking option. It includes the rules to catch potential errors and enforces stronger type checks. Consistent casing in file names. So Windows and Linux both have different file systems, and so does naming a file. So it enforces consistent casing for file names, which helps prevent issues related to case-sensitive file systems. No fail and no fall-through cases in Switch. What it actually means is I will show you through an example. So I create a file to test keywords. I want to create a function process order which expects a string status return the thing. Just have switch based on the status and different cases. So case pending, it will log order is pending. First of all, let's disable the tag. Now is confirmed. Order is confirmed. Is zip will now ready. For will not order the status is unknown. Okay. Now, what will happen if I call process order with pending? If we go to the function, the pending case will match. It will log order is pending. Then you can observe here there is no break statement. So it will actually fall through to the next case, which is confirmed, and it will log order is confirmed as well. So this option no fall through cases in script actually enforces you to have break in each of your cases, so that by mistake or intentionally you can't reach those fall through. Let's go through the next options. The next one is module. It specifies the module system to use for code generation. In this case, it uses the 8-step module system with import and export. Module resolution. It specifies the module resolution strategy. It resolves modules using the Node.js resolution algorithm. JSON module resolve. It enables importing JSON files as module. It will help if you have some JSON files in your project, and if you set this flag as true, you can always have an interface defining the schema of your JSON files that you are expecting. So it will allow the TypeScript to understand and type check those imported JSON files. Isolated modules treats each file as a separate module, enabling faster builds and better separation of content. Knowing it so it's like sometimes if you just want to use TypeScript just for type checking and not generating JavaScript code, in those scenarios you can disable it. JSX is Reactjs again. JSX, it specifies the syntax for JSX in which is like React in TypeScript files. It indicates that the JSX syntax should be treated as React JSX rather than the default preserve option. We can include SRC specifies the declaration. It actually specifies the directories or files to include in the compilation. In this case, it includes all files in the SRC directory. We can have some like I can define a base URL. By defining the base URL, I can import my modules relatively instead of giving the exact path. Also, if I want to generate source map, I can generate the source map while doing the development. So for now, this is the basic TypeScript configuration. Later, I will show you how to set up or start a React project with base configuration and have a pipeline which will accept your input to create your React application. how it will help? So this will ensure your team and organization follows the same standards for all React applications. And you don't have to reinvent the wheel each time. You don't have to uh, go through the configurations each time you want to start on a new project. It also ensures you can control the organization's project from a central location by applying security patches or updating the configurations and even defining the standards. That's it for now. Thanks for joining in. Next, I will define some other